Hello and welcome to Professional Certifications channel. In today's episode, we're going to explore key terms associated with CISSP certification domain for communication and network security. Let's get started.
Secure network architecture.
Design principles. Principles such as defense in depth, least privilege, and segregation to design secure networks. Network segmentation. Dividing a network into smaller parts, subnets, to control traffic and enhance security. Perimeter security. Utilizing firewalls, border routers, and other devices to secure the network's perimeter. Zero trust model. Implementing a security model that does not automatically trust entities within the network.
Network attacks and defenses.
Types of attacks. Understanding various network attacks like denial of service, DOS/DDoS, man-in-the-middle, MITM, phishing, and SQL injection. Intrusion detection and prevention. Using IDS/IPS systems to detect and prevent attacks. Defense strategies. Implementing multi-layered defense strategies including hardware and software solutions. Incident response. Developing and implementing incident response plans for network-based attacks.
Network security devices and services.
Firewalls. Configuring and managing firewalls to control traffic and block unauthorized access. VPN concentrators. Deploying VPNs to provide secure remote access. Intrusion detection/prevention systems, IDS/IPS. Deploying IDS/IPS to identify and respond to suspicious network activity. Content filtering. Implementing solutions to control user access to inappropriate or dangerous websites and content.
Wireless network security.
Wireless encryption protocols. Understanding and implementing WPA, WPA2, and WPA3 for secure wireless communication. Wireless access points security. Securing access points against unauthorized access and attacks. Rogue access point detection. Detecting and mitigating unauthorized access points within the network. Wireless security best practices. Implementing best practices such as changing default settings, disabling SSID broadcasts, and using VPNs over wireless networks.
Secure network management and operations.
Network management protocols. Securing protocols like SNMP, SSH, and others used for network management. Patch management. Regularly updating network devices with the latest patches and updates. Configuration management. Ensuring all network device configurations are secure and compliant with organizational policies. Network monitoring. Continuously monitoring network activity to detect and respond to potential security incidents.
Okay, that brings us to end of this episode. In next episode, we will explore key terms associated with Domain 5. Identity and Access Management, IAM.
If you find it informative, please like, share, and subscribe.